Oh man, what a day, what a day. Well, I did it. I finished the laundry room. So if you can see behind me, there is a room divider. The room divider was the one thing that made everything work. There is a huge storage rack behind that. Usually this would just be dead space, but wanted to make something more out of it, so got that going there. So have all the paint, supplies, everything hidden behind here, and it looks actually pretty nice. I'll come out a little bit farther so you can see it behind me. But yeah, look at that landscape there, right? What a view, what a view. In the basement, nevertheless. And you've already seen the laundry washer and dryer. Everything turned out pretty well there. No big changes there, but the color turned out really well. This is a Downing stone. It's a lot darker than what was previously in here, but I can turn the lights on without squinting. And in addition, with the room divider, you really only want the eyes to go right here, and that's it. So it's perfect. So it actually looks even better at night. During the day, there's a little bit of a shadow, not that big a deal, but a little bit of natural light, which you can see behind me just a little bit. And there you go. So the big projects to make this laundry room come together. Oh, I got to show you the sliding door as well. But the big projects were the room divider back here. That was pretty nice. Got that from Home Depot. I think Oriental Trading was the vendor for that. The rack behind it is a 72-inch high, 77-inch wide Gladiator rack. Also got that from Home Depot. This was a restore find. I was able to find a louvered door with the slots so that the utility room can suck that air in for the air conditioning. And that was a pretty good deal. I just had to clean it up and paint it, which is pretty nice. The color is Downing stone. Got that from Sherwin-Williams. That turned out really well. The light that you see up here, really nice panel light, 2 foot by 2 foot by Commercial Electric. That was from Home Depot as well. And the one piece that kind of puts everything together is the sliding door. I always had an idea for a sliding door. I wasn't sure how I was going to make it work. But found this sliding door, clearance, Home Depot. It's nice because it's got the glass panels, 3 of them. And as you can see up top is a track. And that track allows the door to slide. So I had to jimmy rig a little bit because I'm on concrete. And so I actually put wheels underneath the door, and I actually put a little cover in the front of it so you can't actually see the wheels. So when this actually closes, I do have to do something about some of the light getting in. But there you go. That's when it closes. And I can still see outside. Ah, very nice. I can see in the kids' playroom back there. So came out pretty nice. I had to stay up late. It's probably about 2 in the morning right now. But I finished. Now I can take a shower, and I still have to pack for my trip tomorrow. But I just wanted to give you the good news. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed. All right. And, well, to your projects or whatever's coming up next, stay tuned. I'll probably have another one. Probably that kids' playroom back there will be the next project coming up. All right. Have a good night.